Hello, my name is Alexandra, and now I'd like to present you a kind of a lecture about interacting with the children of a new partner. When starting a relationship with a new partner who has had children with a previous partner, it can be an emotive and difficult period. This lecture provides advice on how to do this sensitively to minimize emotional disturbance to your partner's children. It goes without saying that you should always treat your partner with respect. This is of even great importance if that partner has children. It is not enough to say, I will put up with the children to be with my partner. This situation will make you, your partner, and your partner's children miserable in the long run. If you are fully entering this relationship, then you need to be prepared to become part of the fabric of that family. Coming into a family home and laying down your rules right from the off has the potential to cause resentment. Be sensitive. This was a fully working family before you came onto the scene, and you need to respect that. There is no reason why over time you cannot suggest different ways of doing things or things that you would like to see happen, but it needs to be handled sensitively and with consensus of the children and your partner. Besides, give them space. Before your arrival, the children would have unrestricted access to your partner. It is vital that the children still have this quality time with their biological parent. Make sure that you maintain opportunities for the children to speak to their mother or father without you being present. Go for a walk or see a friend for a couple of hours to allow them this space. Of course, you should avoid overcompensation. Trying to be your partner's super cool new boyfriend or girlfriend will eventually exhaust you and probably cripple you financially. It is not feasible to always be the fun, super hip person in the family. Be yourself. The children want to know you're not a fake superhero or heroine character you have created. What is also important, let the children decide how you fit into their lives. Don't try to be a replacement for their other biological parent. The best relationship you can have and that the children can have is one that has developed organically, rather than something that has been forced onto them. Thus, when your new partner has children, you should keep in your mind several things in order to interact with them. First of all, you should respect each child as an individual, take them and their actions seriously, let them have a private space for interacting with their biological parent. And if you want, sometimes maybe have fun with some games and activities with your partner and children of your partner. And of course, keep things simple. Thank you.